Nyuma ya Rais RUTO kurita MIAMBO ATITHINGATIIRA watho bokoti burakuwa bukaringanithwa na ukumo kwa mawakili na untubo titana mbere kumenerwa nthigurune. Mutalamu wa kisiasa Profesa GITILE NAITULE na menerete MIAMBO ina kuwete bwirite kwithira kiuma kirikanywa ka MUTONGERIA akiworo wangirire na mainya yayo. Nawe muthatari wa kioto ukio mutata uwete irire ondera thirikari kwa nthiguru itekuthiatira watho ni untubo kareanwa bobu nene indi amona bu rais nonekete kuthanende akithetera na kuwa tetikiria mantu atairite ukumakiriro wangi Ugambithania mawakili ni batumirite kwithira bakibwithia maandamano kiume TWITITE bakiriana na kuritirwa imakania.
Migambo kuma ki Rais William RUTO ati thirikari ikaregana mamo mawatho kuma kotini mawatho maria makuingira thirikari kuingia miradi minene hamwe na kwithura manenkanitwe ni Ugambithania bamwe nyuma ya kunenkera ungumania. Migambo ino rinithite na mbele kumenerwa ni antu nkurani ile athomi mawakili na ateteri bagetoke mwingi kuringana na GITILE NAITULE mutalamu wa wathani na utongoria aruga ti untu bwega migambo teno kuma ki mutongoro wandi na bola thithite leu ni gutanga sandwa na katiba. Migambo eno ikigwata kwa mbaru ni mwikarietwa mawakili kuma Kiremara Njiro Ndegwa hamwe na muteteri wa giotokia mwingi Senator Busia okio mtata
ya makosa manene kanwa kauka umete ke munene wa nthi makosa yatooneka nthi ringi na atiburi kuoneka no katiba ya Kenya kichunji kia 50 subsection 1 Article 50 subsection 1 the Kenya and Toba Kenya permission ya kwa approach court kenda ba any problem by near resolved by law nende kwa abolish that section non tuba kwenda kubwithia ni that is in declaration war on the constitution.
The statement by Mr. William RUTO is not only unfortunate, it's uncalled for. It's an irresponsible statement that was made by a head of state. It's a statement that was made without putting his full faculties into motion. It's a statement that was made by a person that does not respect the rule of law. It's a reckless statement that was made by a person who would wish to govern by extra-constitutional means.
President RUTO needs to understand that we shall not allow him to morph into an Emperor Bokassa or to a Marcos in the Philippines. Remember, Marcos came to power through an election. Then he began doing the things RUTO is doing, and he ended up being a dictator, and they could not get him out of office.
Kulingana na mutalamu wa wathani no tongole GITILE NAITULE katiba thaino ithondeketwo ntubulia no mpasuru tingogi bwa mutongole wande bula thiluni tengo bingi bia thirikari bila bilungamilite
po munana bwiri komenya ni nthi yetu ibwithitwe nengi tawa separation of powers. Executive ina power chake, judiciary ina power chake, parliament ina power chake. Itumikiu ikira chongo vaita checks and balances. Kwende munene na bwiri komenya kukethira antu bate na avenue ya weta ke court. Menya court nera chongo vaita the last line of defense. Yange yonde yarema o aita court kenda the naiwe na judge ya resolved. Nende munena ke awatanto ita court. Wago buithi in short ka create conditions za revolution.
Wakili Ndegwa alikuwa utipo Rais William RUTO hamba kwa begeteni jaji nomwe nonto Judicial Service Commission niandikite majaji baba athomi baba bakirege Rais William RUTO kithirwe no shahidi bwa majaji kule ungumania gukinyo shahidi bobo mbele ya JSC.
He will come and leave the judges there. The judges will either be removed through the requisite process of their removal, or because of a natural occurrence of death, or because of their retirement. So from the judiciary perspective, we are more permanent, the judiciary is more permanent than him. So we should threaten the other. The judiciary should not feel threatened. It cannot be threatened by him. He is the one who found the judiciary there. It is not the judiciary that found William RUTO. So I don't believe, and I cannot shudder to think, that William RUTO can intimidate the judiciary in any way whatsoever.
I think nabwiri na twerere rea nyunya muma rea nenkairo ande atha no Uhuru Kenyatta atwererewe akareka charia RUTO ngwe yayo akathikira charia ibu atwerere ateburi kuchoka aburi kuroma wau nonto kutena alternative ya rule of law. Alternative ya rule of law ni anaki na renge munene na ije ketha kwe judges by corrupt na ije bo obutha manto butha gona anto by corrupt. There is ko commission ebudhiro etawanje Judicial Service Commission ino manto yo etaya ka reportiwa lakini munene kiarate abatu ya bwararerie no in this equal respect court na ni otura kinya batu to respect imbi court munene ndalia na njereu ango kwera thene ndeko na thene to na ringi.
So if you have got any issue with the judges, the structures are very clear, and I think more than many people have expressed it before me, that present the evidence to the Judicial Service Commission. That's how we have decided to do. That's how the due process is. In fact, I'd be very happy for the president to present evidence to the Judicial Service Commission of corruption.
Rais William Ruto ni alikite gwetetera na kuga we ni mweteke wa katiba ende no mpesi tongerie takiona nelia na kuga no mpesi ebanelia Kenya kumakia Ugambithania baungumania mweno ogu wakili ndego aluga mawakili bonde ndea mwabulo LSK bakethira bena maandamano kimetuthiete kenda kwila Rais William Ruto atekudithia wega.
Lazima tuulizane maswali na ndio mimi nataka niseme we are a democracy. We respect, we will protect the independence of the judiciary. What we will not allow is judicial tyranny and judicial impunity. That we will not allow. That will not happen.
We are going to exercise our right to picket under Article 37, and we are inviting them to come with their bulldozers. We are inviting them to come with their water cannons. We are inviting them to come with their tear gases. We are also inviting them to unleash the police brutality that they may imagine. But they are not going to silence us. And we are going to respond to defend the rule of law. We are going to respond to defend our constitutionalism. We are going to respond to defend the place of the judiciary in this country.
If he has evidence, let him raise the issue. He cannot use executive fiat to govern this country, and that's what we are saying we are not going to allow. The country of Kenya has chosen due process and rule of law, not executive fiat.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, rangi wa